Hello and welcome to this Minecraft Redstone tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a machine that will allow you to smelt things 8 times faster. This would work on all modern versions of Minecraft. Now let's get on with the video. You will need 1 chest, 24 hoppers, 8 furnaces, 12 rails, 4 powered rails, 4 redstone torches, 1 chest boat, 1 hopper minecart, and 15 miscellaneous blocks. This list will also be in the description. Make sure all the hoppers lead to the chest. Make sure all the hoppers go into the furnaces. Make sure the powered rails are being powered by the redstone torches. The boat has to be on all 8 hoppers, but it doesn't have to be perfect. To add fuel, put it into the hopper minecart and push the minecart. For things you want to smelt, just put it in the boat chest. If not all the furnaces get items, try adjusting the boat. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope I helped you make this in Minecraft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more things like this in the near future. And most of all, make sure to have an amazing morning, day, or night.